Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint the spring flowers. I will use gouache paints. You can use acrylic paint or tempera paint. Let's add the ochre color on the palette. Here and here. Here is the center of the flower of the circle. And now let's take the round brush. I have a round brush number 3. Load up the ochre color on the brush. And we will paint the central petal. We will start from the center and our petal touch the circle. This. And the second petal start from the center and touch the circle. The third the same, and we will paint the last 2 petals. They a little bit smaller than other, thin, a little bit thin, a little bit thinner. And let's paint the other flower. Paint the central petal, the second, the third, and here. Let's wash the brush. And I will take the red color. I will paint the tulip. Add some water to make the color more liquid. Well, I think it's enough. I take the same brush number 3 and I will paint the tulip here. Wash the brush. Let's take the yellow color. Add the color on the palette. And I need the orange color. That's why I mix the yellow and a little bit orange, a little bit red. Here is our orange color. I take the brush number 3 and we will paint this part. for the Narcissus. We start the stroke where the line of the circle maybe a little bit higher. And now let's take the white color load up all the brush with the yellow color. Now we will take a little bit of white like this. We will start from the central stroke like this. Save a little space here. Add the white and make other strokes from the one side and another side of the petal. Add the yellow color on the brush. Paint the central stroke here too. Now we can wash the brush, load up the orange color on the brush and add a little bit white. Paint the central stroke here. And for this flower too, and now we will paint the tulip. Load up the brush with the red color and add the white. Paint the central stroke here, add the white, and paint the stroke here. So, and now I take this brush. You can use transparent brush for this. Let's paint like this. And here. Now I add the the yellow color on my brush. It will be the small flowers, small yellow flowers. And now let's take the white. Try to make the dots in the central part. Maybe a little bit yellow. smooth up all the brush with this color. We will paint some leaves. Take a little bit white. Well, it's very easy, I think. We get beautiful bouquet with the spring flowers. I hope you like it. See you. Bye.